Hi everyone, welcome to Edubbey Global Solutions. Today I'll be walking us through characteristics of living things. Living things differ from non-living things by some characteristics. True or false? True. So let's look at some of these characteristics by which living things differ from non-living things. The first characteristic here is respiration, then followed by irritability or what we know as sensitivity, movement, nutrition, growth, excretion, reproduction. We'll be analyzing each characteristics. Respiration. This is the breakdown of nutrient molecules in living cells to release energy for metabolism. The form of respiration that releases the most energy uses oxygen, that is aerobic respiration. Many organisms have gaseous exchange system that supply their cells with oxygen from their environment. Which of the following are products of respiration? That will be carbon dioxide and water. Irritability or sensitivity, the ability to detect or sense changes in the internal or external environment and make appropriate responses is sensitivity. The changes are stimuli. The responses always involve movement, an action by which an organism or part of an organism causes a change in position or place. A quick question. Response to stimuli can bring about change in position or place in an organism. True or false? True. Movement. Movement is an action by an organism or part of an organism that causes change in position or place. It is also called locomotion. All living organisms show movement of one kind or the other. All living organisms have the innate ability to move substances from one part of their body to another, that is internal movement. While living organisms need to move in search for food, shelter, and mate, that is external movement. Food metabolism within the body is a type of movement. True or false? True. Nutrition. This is the taking in of materials of energy, growth, and development. Plants require light, carbon dioxide, water, and ions, and make their food using the process of photosynthesis. Animals require organic substances and water and obtain their food ready made by eating them. Plants are autofeeders while animals exhibit organic form of feeding. True or false? True. Moving to growth. Growth, this is the process by which an organism changes in size and in form. For example, as a young animal increases in size, the relative sizes of its body parts change as well. Growth is a permanent increase in size and dry mass. It results from increase in cell size or number. Excretion. Excretion is the removal of toxic materials from organisms. It's also the removal of waste products of metabolism, including respiration and substances that are in excess of requirements. Which of these are excretory products? Carbon dioxide, salts, urea. Check. Reproduction. This is a process that makes more of the same kind of individuals. That is, it gives rise to new individuals. An organism is simply split into two. This is describing asexual reproduction. Or reproduction might involve a more complex process, such as fertilization. Sexual reproduction brings about more individuals than asexual reproduction. True or false? False. Activities. Which process uses energy released in respiration? Growth. Which statement about reproduction is correct? All living species can reproduce asexually? No. Some organisms reproduce asexually and sexually. Correct. Which of these is a characteristic of all living organisms? All living organisms exhibit sensitivity. Great. We have a diagram here. It shows what happened in an experiment with plant seedlings. Which characteristics of living things made the seedlings grow towards the light? That would be sensitivity. Correct. We have another setup here. The diagram shows a test tube containing pond water. The green color is caused by microorganisms that have chloroplast. Which characteristics of living organisms are shown in the image above? There are three characteristics shown here, and it is movement, nutrition, and sensitivity. Yes. With this, we come to the end of this class. Remember to join us for more episodes. Check us out on www.edubbey.com for more of our materials and resources. Thank you.